Alright, so that's what I'm working with now. I got the grommet in place. I did tie, I knotted the cord, so there's no chance of just pulling it way through. And it's got a little bit of room in there for play, being bounced around and whatnot. So, as you can see, I had to unsolder the switch and the fuse, so I will re-solder those back up. And yeah, hopefully there's no other thing that I can foresee that's gonna hold me back from getting this puppy going. Alright, so we got her all wired in. This cord's fairly sturdy, not going anywhere. Put a little red tape around the ends there, because why not? It is electrical tape, don't worry. So, I'm gonna put her back together. We'll have to see what we get. Alright, now I'm gonna fit this guy up into here. There's kind of a shelf it fits on that'll keep it steady when you're trying to screw it in from the top. Only thing that was a bugger is somebody glued this in, so this no longer comes out. And it was hard getting that black face around that, because I wasn't really sure how to take that off, but I don't want a chance breaking anything, so. Right, she's coming together. I popped the fuse in, I hooked up the speaker. I put the cord stop in there. Extra protection for the cord up in there, since it's only really a grommet holding it in. But I did put a couple knots in it up there. Alright, just getting the tubes in and putting all the hardware back on, and we'll see. Alright, so let's put the knobs and all the buttons and stuff back in. There it is. All put back together. It's plugged in. About to turn it on and see what happens. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. So what I did is it's plugged into that extension of that circuit, and that's off. The amp's on, so I'm gonna flip this on down here, and the amp should come on. All right, test number 1, success. Okay, test number 2. I have plugged in a guitar. I've turned the volume up just slightly. I'm going to turn it on and then see if there's anything coming through to the guitar. All right, so there is no voltage currently going through here. Also no sound for some reason. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Getting some sound out of it. pick up the guitar and play a little bit. Here's the Fender Champ after the recent work. We replaced the power cord, cut off the death cap. I have everything set at 4 right now, so. Well, there you have it. We successfully changed the power cord and we cut off the death cap. Made her a little bit more safe to play. So now we're gonna have to get the lawsuit era this hooked up to the pedal board, hooked up to the Champ amp, and see what that sounds like. So there'll definitely be more Champ videos coming. Stay tuned. Thank you. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. The reason why it didn't work before, was because I accidentally had 2 of the tubes backwards. So I fixed that issue and she's working pretty good. I still kind of want to change the tubes out. It's probably been a good while. I want to get the Fender tubes put back in it. Alright, well, until next time, have a good night.